Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to generate realistic images of these celebrities and make use of them without worrying about copyright and any other thing, especially if you want to publish in somewhere like Amazon and you're worried about copyright using images of the particular people that you want to write about. I will show you how to generate these images using AI and they are realistic. In today's video, I'll be using someone like Elon Musk. He's a very popular person who can use him to demonstrate what I want to show you. Now, before we dive in straight into it, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can see we are growing rapidly thanks to those that have subscribed already. Now, first of all, what you have to do is this. You have to first of all get your prompt ready of the celebrity that you want to generate the image. For example, as I said, I'm using Elon Musk. So this is my prompt: a realistic high resolution portrait of Elon Musk wearing a dark suit and a white shirt, standing against a pure white background, soft lighting on his face, confident expression, and cinematic style. Let me remove this cinematic style because I just want a plain picture. Now, this is my prompt already. So first of all, I will search it out. Enter this site called PyChan's AI image generator. Just search for it. When you search for it, you will see the first one, AI image generator free, no sign up unlimited. Just click on this. So let's allow it to load. Let me delete this. Now when you click on it, you can see different things here. If you have not generated any images, these two things may not, the shape and how many may not be available for you until you click on generate. But because I've generated image, this made available. Now when you open this, you copy your prompt to any image that you want to generate, paste here. Then you can see different styles of images are available here: cinematic, digital painting, concept, a lot of them. So it depends on the type of image that you want to generate. I will just say casual photo. Now the number of images, you can try to increase the number of images of the person that you want to generate. Disclaimer, for those of you that have all these fake Facebook accounts and all that want to do Yahoo and all that, this video is not actually where it's driving to. This is for those of you that want to write biography books, and whenever you use an image of the person and it's being flagged, so you can actually follow the step I'm doing now. A lot of images, number of images that you want, I will just say two for the sake of this video. You can choose square, portrait, and landscape. I will just say square. Then all I need to do is, I've pasted my prompt. All I need to do is was click generate. So let's wait for it to generate the image. Now you can see one of these images has been generated. You can see this is exactly Elon Musk. It has been generated. So waiting for the second one to generate. You can see the second one has generated. So you can choose anyone or you can download it. You can see this is really Elon Musk. Now that's AI generated for us. Now you can right click on the image that you want to save. Let me save this particular one. Let me use this first one here. Let me leave the name as download. Let me just save it. Let me save it. Then the next thing you can do is this. You can see that it's wearing suits. This one is also wearing suit. Okay, let me just download it too. Save this. This one is also wearing suits. Now you can decide to recloth this, change the type of clothes that Elon Musk is wearing. For example, let's first of all download an image. Let me just say t-shirt, PNG image. Let's download. Okay, let me download this particular one, this particular red shirt. So let's just okay, let me just download it. Now PNG that I type means that I don't want the picture to have a background. Let me save this image, this particular clothes. Let me save it. Now the next thing you have to do is go to this, just search for hungry face visual try on. Just click on it on Google. Now the first one, is it the colors visual try on? Just click on it and let's allow it to load. Now you can see this has loaded already. Now you have two interfaces here, or should I call it two options here. You have this one is for person's image and this one is for garment image. This is where you upload the clothes that you want to actually make use of. This is where you upload the person's image. The person may not, you want to use, may not be wearing clothes, so you can easily upload. Now this is already garments that you can choose from, and this is the result. So let's do this. We'll click on image. Now the person's image you want to use, let's use the, let me say the second one. Now the garment that we want to use, you can see the garment we want to use, since he's wearing suit and I have suit here, let me just click on this suit. I want this suit to change to this particular one, so I can easily what, run it. So let's allow it to show us the results. You can see this is the image you have. You can download and download it. Now this is the image we have. You can see it. Now we change from this to actually this. We change from this cloth to actually this cloth. Now let's try also the other one. Let me delete this. Let's click on this. Let's try the other image. Okay, let me see. Then let's upload the other clothes that we downloaded, the red clothes here, and see how it works for us. Let's see if it we can get this. Let's run. You can see this actually been changed to this, but there are some design added to it. You can see it here. Now another thing is this: if the person is not wearing clothes, you can actually, let's search for maybe an image like shirtless uh, Beckham JPEG. Let's search something like this. Okay, these are the images I have. Let me click on the first one and let me know if we can download it. So let's download this. Save image. I need a JPEG image. So why is it giving me another thing? Let me search for this also. Save image. With this here. So this particular one, let me name it as B. Download. Right. Now we can actually upload that image here. B. You can see shirtless. So let's run this. You can see it has been clothed, right? So this is the results. This is what you have. So you can always what, try to download. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share to your friends. Bye.